हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इन दिस वीडियो हम बात करेंगे एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के बारे में। ठीक है, सो लेट रीड द स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट। 3 रजिस्टर 2 ohm, 4 ohm and 5 ohm are combined in parallel. What is the total resistance of the combination? First part. In second part, if the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 20 volt and negligible internal resistance, determine the current through each resistor and the current drawn from the battery. In this question, what is given? 3 resistors are given, that is R1, R2 and R3 we are considering. ठीक है, they are combined in parallel order. ठीक है, so what is parallel combination? Let's see what is parallel combination. In parallel combination of resistors, one end of all the resistors are joined together and other end of all the resistors are also joined together. इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में क्या होता है कि पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में एक एंड जो होता है, जितने लेट्स सी कि अगर मेरे पास कोई n नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस है, ठीक है, तो n नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस के केस में हम क्या करते हैं, और वो सब हम कह रहे हैं पैरेलल ऑर्डर में कंबाइंड है। ठीक है, तो पैरेलल ऑर्डर में क्या लेंगे हम, एक टर्मिनल हमने ये लिया, एक टर्मिनल हमने ये लिया। ठीक है, रेजिस्टेंस जो होगा R1 वो भी इन दोनों टर्मिनल्स से जुड़ा होगा, रेजिस्टेंस 2 जो होगा वो भी इन दोनों टर्मिनल्स से जुड़ा होगा, और रेजिस्टेंस 3 जो होगा वो भी इन दोनों टर्मिनल्स से जुड़ा होगा। ऐसे ही सो ऑन नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस क्या होंगे, इन दोनों टर्मिनल से ही क्या होंगे, कनेक्टेड होंगे। सो सी व्हाट आई हैव रिटन हियर कि in parallel combination of a resistor, one end of all the resistor are joined together like this, and another end of all the resistors are also joined together. ठीक है, and I am connecting these two terminals with power supply, or we can say battery, that is V. That is R1, R2, R3. ठीक है, the main features of this combination is that the resistors are connected in a circuit have same potential difference. It means that this potential will be same for all 3 resistors. ठीक है, if I amount of current is flowing in the circuit, ठीक है, दिस करंट विल स्प्लिट इन 3 पार्ट, I1, I2, I3, और afterwards what will happen, the same amount of current will return from here, since the potential difference across all resistors are connected in parallel order will be same. So the total resistance of combination, if there are n resistors connected in parallel, so how we will calculate the result, that is 1 upon R equivalent equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3, so on 1 upon Rn, like this. इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा यहाँ पर पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में 1/R इक्विवेलेंट इक्वल्स टू 1/R1 प्लस 1/R2 प्लस 1/R3 प्लस 1/Rn. ठीक है. नाउ लेट कम इन क्वेश्चन, सी द सॉल्यूशन. In this question here given that R1 equals to 2 ohm. ठीक है. सी R1 equals to 2 ohm, R2 equals to 4 ohm and R3 equals to 5 ohm. So I can write here R1 equals to 2 ohm, R2 equals to 4 ohm, R3 equals to 5 ohm. So total resistance, that potential is given here, that is 20 volt, that V equals to 20 volts. So in parallel combination, the total resistance Rp is given by 1/R P equals to 1/R1 plus 1/R2 plus 1/R3. Just put the value 1/Rp equals to 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/5. Taking LCM of this 3, 2, 4 and 5, the LCM will be 20. Solve this value. What will come? 10 plus 5 plus 4. Just calculate this. What will come? 1/Rp equals to 19/20. So Rp equals to 20/19 ohm. So the total resistance in the parallel combination will be 20/19 ohm. This is the answer of first part. Now see second part, B part. ठीक है. Since we know potential difference is same across all the resistors connected in parallel, therefore current in any resistor will be potential difference या फिर that is voltage, potential difference, or we can say voltage upon resistor, resistance of that resistor, ठीक है. That is our formula will be IN equals to V/Rn. ठीक है. I have written here IN means there are n number of resistors present in the circuit. ठीक है. तो total amount of current will be IN. So IN equals to VN/Rn. So first of all current through resistor R1. ठीक है. Current through resistor R1 will be VV/R1. Potential is same for all. So what is potential? That is 20. EMF will be EMF is given here 20 volt and R1 is given here 2 ohm. What will come? That is 10 ampere current. That I1 equals to 10 ampere. In the same way current through resistor R2 will be V upon R2, that is 20 upon, what is R2 here? 4. Just cancel this value, what will come? 5 ampere. ठीक है, 5 ampere current. Now current through R3 equals to V upon R3. Here EMF is given 20 and R3 is 5 ohm. Just cancel this value, what will come? 4 ampere. So total current will be, total current in the circuit will be 20 upon 20 upon 19. How this will come? We know IN equals to V upon RN. V is the potential, that is 20. V is the potential, that is 20, and RN means total resistance in parallel combination, that is 20 upon 19. Solve this value, what will come? Total current will be 19 ampere. This is a solution of B part. See solution of question number 4. This is A part. This is B part. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. आई होप कि आप लोगों को समझ में आया हो.